Mild evening across the valley. Temperatures just a little warmer than last night at this time, but just by a degree or two. Pretty much everybody in the 70s right now, including Harlingen at 71. Western Stark County 75. Port Isabel checking in at 72. Future Track says we don't go much of anywhere overnight, maybe 3 or 4 more degrees down. That's about it, upper 60s. And then tomorrow, right back up in the 80s again. The western part of the valley probably going over 90 yet another time. You go on into Thursday morning, we do it again. We start in the upper 60s and climb back into the upper 80s and perhaps low 90s again. And Friday, look at this, we start in the low 70s, then climb back in the 80s yet another time. 89 McAllen, 88 on Friday afternoon in Edinburg, 86 in Stark County. 82 is the average for this time of year. We're going to be above that throughout the forecast period. 87, 85, 87. Records are all up close to 100. Once again, they will not be threatened. Satellite and radar over deep South Texas showing absolutely nothing tonight. Very quiet out there. We could see patchy low clouds by tomorrow morning, so you may not wake up to just a perfectly blue sky, but very quickly those clouds will burn off. We'll get back to mostly sunny and breezy conditions once again. We repeat the process tomorrow night and Thursday. The clouds show up, just patchy low clouds, and then we end up with partly sunny skies again on Thursday. The model now indicating an isolated shower showing up during the daytime on Friday. Look at that, a little line of showers sneaking through the area. We've been talking about that very slight possibility on Friday. This model now suggests we could see a brief line of showers come through Friday afternoon. So we're not going to take it out. We're still going with mainly dry, but keep that in the back of your mind. There could be a brief shower come through late Friday during the second half of the day. Across the rest of Texas, 72 right now. In Abilene, 74. Dallas, Longview's at 65. Austin at 70. A front in the state staying way to the north of us. This one kind of meanders around for a while, but ultimately doesn't get any closer to us. Here comes the one into West Texas. It's going to push into the middle of the state on Friday. Notice that line of showers and thunderstorms that breaks out ahead of it. A vast majority, if not all of the rain, will be well north of the valley, but embedded within that, there'll be some severe weather on Friday. That slight possibility we could see something fire up down here. We're looking at about a 5% chance, something like that. At the coast, if you're headed to the beach, maybe it's spring break for you. Most are done, but still a few schools out. 77 in the morning, southeasterly winds by afternoon. You're still looking at around southeast 20-mile-an-hour winds. Temperature 73 in the evening. Very high UV index during the daytime tomorrow. There are the tides, 5 a.m., 2:30 p.m. Seas 3 to 5 feet with a moderate chop on the bay. So tonight, low of 68, partly cloudy, mild. Tomorrow, right back up to 87 again. Partly sunny skies, a breezy and warm day. Southeasterly winds at 10 to 20. 87, 85, 87, and then look at this, 92 on Saturday, 89 on Sunday. And Monday and Tuesday, we're holding at 90. Nighttime lows for the most part, upper 60s and low 70s. Only chance of rain, that slight chance on Friday. We're going to keep looking at that. We'll have an update for you coming up a little bit later on. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel.